Okay, friends, here's the completion, the hand scraping, hand cleaning of a Porsche 928 GTS intake manifold. This is the end result prior to media blasting. I do some QC checks, make some marks when all the areas are clean, free of all the debris, all the junk that comes out of the inside. This is still kind of hot. Just this chunk right here came from the inside of that. Let me try to drag out some more. This is on the inside of every 4R GTS intake manifold that Porsche built. All this stuff on the inside. All the marks are there. Every tube is perfectly clean. The outside, oh, there's an area right there I missed. Let me get it on camera, just so y'all can see it. Let me turn this light off, magnify it in. Okay, right there. On the inside of that bell housing, or that bell trumpet, is, it's hard to focus. Right there, you can see it. More material. So, get that hot. The irony is I'm making a video saying, here's my completed work, and I found a little piece. Well, that's perfectly fine. The sole purpose here is to make sure this manifold is perfect for the customer. Doesn't matter if it's Greg Brown's manifold, which it is, or anybody that just bought an S4, GTS, or GT car, you're going to get the same kind of service. Perfection. It has to be. Okay, it's warm enough. Turn on the light. Select the tool. And this is just far enough to, let's see. Okay, it's starting to come up. Still need some more heat. I do recognize the camera is not focusing properly like it should, or ideally like I would want it to. By default, it's focusing on the lower left-hand corner. Not what I want it to do, but it is an iPhone. Just trying to get this all on camera. Even though I was prepared and willing and set out to make a video showing the completion, I found that little area I missed. Probably will find more areas that when I undertake to do the blasting, or the second blasting, I should say. Okay, see it's getting under it? Some more heat on it. That area that is glowing is some of the old coating. Gotta wear a headlight. Let's see if I can. This is just one of those. An area that I need a slightly. There it comes. The last of it right there. Pound that with a hammer. Yeah. Let's see here. See if I can do this. Okay, come on, you. This one. It's pretty hot. I think that's got it. Oh, still a little bit left there. Not very much. Hopefully. Interesting how I'm priority one is of course to this manifold, but I'm trying to film this at the same time to get a good shot, to get a good video, and I think I am doing that. This is pretty clean. Okay, so another tool. Okay, all right, so now I can pick up where I left off, all these areas. When you get older, you gotta wear glasses. Plus, these glasses really protect my eyes from the flying projectiles, because this stuff down here, it flings off at a great high rate of speed. Okay, well, so it's now ready to go in for its second blast. This is the other GTS manifold that's going to be blasted. I'm going to be sanding these down tomorrow, and it's going to go in here next day or two. This is coming out. This, I missed a spot on right here on the inside and right there. Right there, you can't see it on the camera, but naked eye, you can. That's the other cam cover. This is Greg Brown's. You just got to touch this up a little bit more. These are going to, that's a previous story, another story, which I'm not going to get into that right now, nor will I probably ever get into that story. So I think I did talk about it a little bit in another video, but well, here it is, friends. GTS manifold all done, ready for blasting. Cheers.